Hi, my name is Chris, and I work together with Hoang Thum Jacket Factory in Vietnam. Would you like to meet sewing factories in Vietnam? Our jacket sewing factory will have a booth at the April 26th to 28th, 2023 Global Sources Garment Trade Show taking place in Ho Chi Minh City at the SECC Convention Center. Let's meet there. We can quote price for your padded jacket, down jacket, and seam sealed jacket. Bring your physical sample or tech packs for us to reference. Our partners will be at our booth to assist you. They are LHD Law Firm for legal advice, Knight Logistics for shipping advice, Saigon Printer for sublimation printing advice, HSM for fabric manufacturing advice, and my company, Sourcing Expert in Vietnam, for sourcing advice. We can answer all your questions related to manufacturing in Vietnam. Our aim is to meet you, support you, and build a long-lasting business relationship. Welcome to Vietnam.